Welcome to my Chinese class. As I said in the video before, to learn Chinese, you have to learn pinyin, character, and meaning. And in the last series of video, I have introduced every detail you should know about pinyin, which is to lay the groundwork for learning Chinese character, specifically the pronunciation. So if you haven't watched the last series, check them out. In this series of video, I'll be introducing some basic knowledge about Chinese character, mainly about how a character was created and what its construction is. This will help make it easier for you to memorize its pronunciation, writing, and meaning. But before that, let me give you a brief overview of Chinese characters' history. Although the origin of Chinese characters remains a mystery, there's no doubt that they were created thousands of years ago, and Oracle bone script is the earliest well-developed writing system ever found in Chinese history. They are inscriptions mainly carved on turtle shell and bones of big animals, and you can already see all four kinds of Chinese characters formation from Oracle bone inscriptions. Along with the development of manufacturing, our ancestors were able to make different kinds of wares from bronze instead of just stone and clay. So did they change the materials to carve inscriptions on, which brought Chinese characters' history into Bronze Age. Compared to Oracle bone inscriptions, bronze inscriptions were more structured and had developed more characters. Then, as China was developing into a big united country through many wars among small countries, a script that is faster and easier to write was due, so was the material to write on, because only in that way rules and laws made by central governments could be delivered more quickly to normal people and local governments. And that encouraged the birth of seal script, later followed by clerical script. Compared to scripts before, clerical script was more concise and square, which was easier to carve or write on bamboo and wood. And until this stage, Chinese characters writing system was able to step into a new era. Clerical script also laid the foundation of modern Chinese character. Actually, it looks a lot like modern Chinese character and is still used in design. It also exists as a type of calligraphy arts. Many calligraphy enthusiasts still practice writing it as a hobby. In next two videos, I'll introduce more details about Chinese characters formation and construction. You'll see how a character was created and how many parts a character can be divided into, so it helps you understand a character better and memorize it faster. See you next time!